All right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in today to what we got going on. Let me see some. What the fuck? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Let me adjust some real fast, Make sure I can hear audio. Make sure that's correct. Everything's right. So, what did we do last night, y'all? What did we say last night on stream? We said, well, you can just sell right off, right? And look at that. And also, look at that, right? So that is a little something. That's beautiful. So right now, what we were looking for. So we don't have any more news, or at least not till 2 p.m. That's when Trump begins to speak. Right now, what we could possibly do is just have a little bit of a retrace to the upside before we continue down. Outside day is very likely at this pace with how we're going so far. We do need to go below these levels. We need to get below this previous weekly open and Sunday open. Those are the levels that have held us last night, and that is what we could not get through. So right here on the 4 hour, once that closes, once this 4 hour closes, right, this next 60-minute, this next hourly candle, I'd like to see a little bit of a retrace. We take some shorts up top, but a little retrace for continued shorts would not be bad. Maybe possibly retest this fair value gap right there. I got that always with that arrow, that little arrow button. I know. Something like that in terms of a continuation. That's what we would want to see, realistically. I mean, that doesn't, right? That's not to say that, well, for done selling, we can reverse here. Like, they can easily just sell it off from right over here. I would not put that into discount, retest some of these levels. But ultimately, that previous daily low that's chilling right here at that 19,261.25 is what our goal is. Crypto, should also getting sold off a little bit. Yikes. But let's see what they give us. I mean, that's about all I have to the upside. I mean, we got this Timmy candle. We could come up, see if they want to retest that, right? So we can try out our zone for possible shorts. But over here, we can easily see if we just place above this or not. But ultimately, this would be like our ultimate goal is to previous day low, right? So just stay vigilant, stay cautious. We'll see what they do. And we don't have much to cover. We got pretty much everything covered on the last night's stream. All right, so I suggest go check it out, papertraders.io. Check out last night's stream where we outlined the move. I mean, the move is pretty much happening now. It's just seeing whether or not they just continue it down, because we got a little 15-minute over here, so we could take a little short, right? We could take a short over here with the stop probably right there, down to the previous day low right here. Could, right? Let's see how that plays out. But we've also sold down the whole night, so that's not taking us out of that risk of, not a risk, but it's not taking us out of the possibility, out of that realm of possibilities of retracing back up a little bit, you know. Let's see, did we hit 50% of this week? We did. Looks like that's why we're having a little reaction. Well, close. Right. Yeah. Well, that's what I would look for if I were you. See our daily. Yeah. Our daily could, I mean, we could even go for the bottom of this month, right? 18,976, 75. If they really want to get it froggy. What did we say last night? We said above this, flip for green for the day. Did not do that. So for right now, it's a little continuation. Let's see how she goes. On that, thank you guys for tuning in. Check out papertraders.io. That's your go-to website. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a little link. That link will take you to all of our previously recorded sessions. I suggest you check out the one that we did last night, because that outlined the market pretty well. And the one before, and the one before that, and the one before that, that one too. Make sure you follow Mr. Hayes Beats, or at Hayes Beats on Twitter. Make sure you follow Big Timmy Hedge on Twitter. They're phenomenal traders that are inside the community. You see them posting all the time. They're posting great plays. Just tons of knowledge. And if you guys are liking these, make sure you give it a little like, give it a little share. Spread the love. We love doing these. I wake up early to do them, but we absolutely love it. So thank you guys for tuning in. Get a stretch in for you. And a yawn. Thank you guys. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. We'll see you guys on the one later tonight. Peace out.